Okay, artists, once your print is dry, you can see mine's kind of curled up. I'm gonna kind of help it by bending it the opposite direction to try to flatten that back out a little bit. It'll make it easier for me to work. And then we are going to work on these white spaces that are left at the top and bottom. And you can make any kind of design or pattern that you want. I would suggest using some of these shapes that you did down here at the bottom. You could do them in little blocks if you want, or they could be in rows. It's totally up to you. So I am going to just have mine go across. So I might start with a zigzag because that is in my design. And you want to do everything in pencil just to have it in the correct place before you start with the Sharpie. And then maybe I'm doing these circles. That's also in my print. And then I will just repeat, but I might rearrange the order over here just so it looks a little more mixed up. So I might do some lines like this because that's also in my design. So any kind of lines or shapes to repeat a pattern. So I'll come back once I'm finished. Okay, so I did this pattern here. I did it over here, but I kind of changed the order. They're all still there, but I just changed the order. Then you want to go back in now with your Sharpie and trace everything. This is where you also want to decide, do I want to color in some things? Maybe you add some solid black colored things. The whole shape could be colored. It's totally up to you, but that will give it more interesting lines instead of them just being all the same. So if I want these black circles inside here, that's something I'm gonna add. I'll show you the next one, what you could do. So maybe this one's skinny, this one's thick. Skinny, thick. So that's something else you could add in there, is varying those line widths. So I'm gonna do these and I'll come back and show you. So I have Sharpied all of these, and if you want something more added, go for it. I'm gonna think about it, I might add more, and then I'm gonna flip it around and do the same thing, pencil, then Sharpie. It could be a different pattern of these lines and shapes you used, or you could repeat the one we already did. Okay, so I did that pattern on that side, and I did do a different pattern on the other side. Once you're finished, you wanna take a picture of your finished work and upload that into the completed marker styrofoam printmaking album.